Hi, Mark. Here, Monday, August the 4th, going on 8 a.m. Eastern. That's going on noon GMT. US session about to get underway. Let's see how the markets are shaping up going into the US session. Starting on the US dollar index, we had a very sharp sell-off on Friday. US dollar trying to fight back, but still hanging around the low the low of Friday and the support area. I've got support at 98.43 and resistance 98.78. Has left a wick behind, so US dollar has tried to fight back, but looks like it's coming down again. Let's zoom in on the hourly. There you see the attempted fight back by the US, and there's resistance, but that has in the last few hours been sold off again, sitting pretty much in the middle of the range now at 98.59. Let's have a look at the S&P. We're an hour and a half away from Wall Street opening up. Had a big sell-off in the S&P on Friday. In in futures trading, before Wall Street does open up, we can see that a slight demand for S&P for equities. I've got my support at 6,268, resistance at 6,308. So push up to start before traders enter the market. Let's have a look at the hourly. And there you can see slow but steady since the close on Friday in off-market trading and resistance at 6,308. Let's have a look at gold. And there is a strong day for gold on Friday. That's the inverse relationship, weak US dollar, strong gold. Looks to be playing out or continuing today. Today has broken through yesterday's resistance, and for now, resistance is sitting at 3,370 with support at 3,344. Buyers will certainly be looking up at that 3,400 level, where sellers will be looking to test or break below today's support at 3,344. Let's have a look at Brent oil. The sell-off continues. 3 strong days, started with a double top, which is a strong reversal sign 3 days ago, continued and played out on Friday and continuing further today. I've got resistance at 70.04, just over $70, and support at 68.48. Buyers certainly look to retake that $70, but at this point, sellers firmly in control and looking at the 68.44 support. On the hourly, you can see there is the strong downtrend and sellers testing the support level as the US session gets underway. Bitcoin. Bitcoin, there is a bullish engulfing candle, which is a reversal sign. Buyers did try higher earlier during the Asian European session. You can see we've got resistance sitting at 115,000. I've got support slightly above 114,000, a narrow $1,000 range to start the day. Buyers will be looking up at that resistance again. Long way up to get to the 120, 119, 120,000, the level that buyers have struggled at. Sellers, of course, will be looking to test the 114,000 support, looking down at the low of 112,000. Long way to go. We have a resistance support levels. We'll see if the US dollar is able to fight back today, and I will keep you posted. See you at the end of day session. Good trading.